Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I was actually getting ready to go out for a brunch, and as the last step of my getting ready, I was applying my perfume, and that's when I've realized that I haven't shared my favorite perfume with you guys in a while. Like, it's been so long, and I was like, let me just come here quickly and share my favorite perfume at the time. Now, I personally love to hear this compliment that you're smelling good. I mean, every one of us love this compliment, right? So for me, perfume is as important as putting on a lipstick. If I'm going out, I always put on lipstick because I love it, and I cannot go out without applying a perfume. In fact, I apply perfumes at home as well, not for others but for myself as well, because I love smelling good. Now for me, there are two very important points when it comes to a perfume. A, it has to be a good smelling perfume. That is like a given, वो तो होता ही होता है. And the second one is that it should be a long lasting perfume, so that I don't have to reapply my perfume throughout the day. I've actually tried myself so many different perfumes over the year, and now that I've realized that actually my solid perfumes are very long lasting as compared to your typical liquid perfumes. And you definitely must have seen so many DIYs on Instagram, on YouTube, that people are actually creating their own solid perfumes. I've seen so many reels where people are actually melting the Vaseline and then adding their perfume in it and then freezing it and making their own perfume. That is like a lot of work and a lot of mess, so you do not have to do it, because I've got these beautiful, cute, tiny, solid perfumes from this brand called Blur India. They have variety of products on their website, but I've noticed this cute, solid perfumes that they have recently launched, I think in 5 different variants. I've got these 2 perfumes. First of all, let me just appreciate how small and cute these looks. Itna chotu sa hai that it's very easy to carry it around. Anyways, these are actually quite long lasting. तो आपको बारी-बारी अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट जस्ट इन केस यू वांट टू रीअप्लाई इट तो आप अपने पॉकेट में भी इसको कैरी कर सकते हो. इट्स वेरी स्मॉल, इट्स वेरी स्लीक. ऑल्सो लिक्विड परफ्यूम्स का क्या होता है, आप ट्रैवल वगैरह भी करते हो तो बहुत बार स्पिल हो जाता है, आपकी चीज़ें खराब हो जाती है, तो इसका स्पिल होने का भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है. सो यू कैन ईजिली ट्रैवल विद दिस. नाउ दे हैव 5 वेरिएंट्स, बट आई हैव गॉट दीज 2. फर्स्ट वन इज दिस फ्रेश कट फ्लावर. सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड बाय द नेम दैट दिस हैज अ रियली ब्यूटीफुल फ्लोरल fragrance. This has the notes of jasmine and rose. Oh my god, this just smells so good. This has again very woody and earthy notes as well. It just feels so beautiful. For everyday use, I just love to apply this. You just want to take this, rub your finger over here, and then apply it on the areas you want to smell good from, of course. This just smells so good. Now the next one is actually my favorite, which is a candy store. Again, the name suggests it all. It's gonna be a really beautiful citrusy candy fragrance, which I love so much. Like, मुझे ना वो citrusy fragrance होता है ना, वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है, especially for my special occasions. I love to apply this one. This also has vanilla notes, so citrusy with vanilla. These two notes I love the most, and when they come together, of course it's gonna become like my favorite. So candy store is actually my favorite. It's difficult to talk, like मेरे हाथ में ये है, and I just want to smell it continuously. It's just so damn good. Again, the formula is also really nice. If your skin is a little sensitive, आपको liquid perfume वगैरह से आपकी स्किन को थोड़ा बहुत itchiness फील होती है, आपकी स्किन को ज़्यादा सूट नहीं करते, तो these perfumes you can easily use. इसके अंदर कोई अल्कोहल नहीं है, सब natural ingredients यूज़ किए हुए हैं. This has ingredients like coconut oil, almond oil, mango butter, vitamin E, chocolate, caramel, vanilla. I mean, amazing ingredients, all the hydrating and nourishing ingredients. So it's a very safe to use for all skin type. Of course, इतना balmy texture है, आप easily apply कर सकते हो जो भी एरिया पे आपको लगाना है. I personally like to apply this over here, back of my ear, also on my neck, and यहाँ पे भी मुझे wrist पे भी लगाना काफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है. And trust me, it literally lasts me throughout the day. Yes, you guys, these are amazing. And now I'm getting late to go out, but yeah, मैं इसके links जो है वो description box में डाल दूँगी. So do not forget to check that out, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. I love you guys all so much. Bye.